Distribution per unit in the 27th period was 6,419 yen. DPU forecast in the 28th period is 6,510 yen. Since 1 year ago, JPR has set a midterm 6,500 yen target. This goal is expected to be reached in the coming 28th period. We have announced DPU forecast of 6,550 yen in the 29th period ending June 2016. I think that a long-term stable growth platform is now ready. This table shows the history of DPU over past 10 periods. As shown in far left, DPU in the 19th period was 5,611 yen. Over past 10 periods, or past 5 years, DPU has grown by 1,000 yen. LTV has lowered to 42.1%. As a result, our debt acquisition capacity has been enhanced to 65 billion yen. On the premise that DPU accretion will be achieved even after public offering, current growth capabilities will lead to growth in the future. That was a rationale by which the public offering was conducted. As for the occupancy rates, the portfolio average stood at 97.5%. Gradually, the occupancy rates for offices and the entire portfolio are becoming closer. In the 27th period, JPR achieved very successful upward revisions. There were 36 properties that made upward rent revisions, worth 15 million yen per month. This means approximately 90 million yen increase in 6 months. 90 million yen translates over 100 yen increase in terms of DPU. In other words, just by way of upward rent revisions, such strong DPU growth could be attained. On external growth front, selective investments will continue. Our basic stance remains unchanged. However, the current environment has made it challenging to acquire new properties. By upgrading our approaches, our relationship with the sponsors will be further reinforced. As for shared ownership properties, we increasingly have more in-depth discussions when meeting and negotiating with other owners, so that there will be higher chance to acquire their stake. Regarding appraisal values, we have no more unrealized losses from the 27th period. Instead, we enjoy unrealized gains of 9.3 billion yen. Our basic investment management policy is to achieve long-term stable DPU growth. We are no longer in the 6,000 yen phase, but have entered into 6,500 yen territory. After these two phases, the next level is obviously 7,000 yen. Even though it will not happen overnight, 7,000 yen is going to be our next target. JPR will continue to endeavor for long-term stable growth so that we can serve your interest. Thank you for your kind attention.